These next 2 weeks, we are going to talk about training effectively. This week, our focal points include talking about rest days, the fact that ballet is so important to our training no matter what style of dance we do. We're going to touch on conditioning and rehearsing, along with what to expect when we are training and how that affects our bodies and some of our challenge days, along with recovery time and all of those different details while we train. So be sure to check back tomorrow as we start with our rest days. I will see you then.